Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on a COMFEE dehumidifier. To do this, first you will need to download Smart Home app from Google Play Store or any other store that you're using. Then you should see something like this. Add device. You also need to create an account. Before that, actually. After that, we can click on Add Device, select the COMFEE products and scroll down to the humidifier. We want to select that one. Then make sure to connect to 2.4G network and enter the password for it. Now, please complete the following steps. Power on the device, long press the connect button for 3 seconds until device shows AP on the display. So what we want to do is connect our humidifier to the power source, and let me actually get the camera to the highest point so we can actually see the display. Okay, let me grab my smartphone here as well. Power on the device with the power button, then long press connect button for 3 seconds. This one right here. There's AP on the display. I pressed this button. Now we can go back to my smartphone, just a second. I have completed those steps. Let's move to the next one. Click on the connect when you see that prompt. And here we have it, our humidifier is set up. Next thing is to rename it. It's optional, so I'm just gonna leave the default name. And there's introduction, and let's just close it. Here's our control panel for the humidifier. It's ready to be used. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.